Alright, so we are going to keep on working on our Notion planner. It is part of my learning process. As I said, you guys, in my previous videos, you can watch them on my channel. I am learning how to build stuff on Notion. And this is part of me wanting to help people break things down in smaller steps so that they can get closer to who they want to be. Right, there's a vision that we all have inside of us, something that we can see with our eyes closed, but when we don't take action, that doesn't happen. We need to take action with faith, and I think planning help us see things in smaller versions instead of being overwhelmed of a dream. Then breaking down those plans to actionable steps is important. Today we're going to be editing or working on our outfit planner. So my goal here is be aware of what do I have. All right, if I have too much, or if I'm wasting too much money on clothing. I don't think so. I'm not that kind of person. But let's see what I will discover with myself. But today we're going to work on the outfit planner. Alright, so my outfit planner lays here on this side of Notion. Outfit planner. I've been working on it already. But today we're going to be working on like the prices and how much I have worn an item. Okay. The clothes that I have here right now, you guys can see, these are example clothings. Okay, this I am working on it and I haven't put my clothes on it yet, and that's my next goal. I will be filming that, how to do it. So I'll be deleting all this example clothings, and I will show you guys how to load your closet online. I want to do now is the price range. For example, you bought a clothing that is around 50 euros. Okay, so I have here prices, for example, that are example prices: 80 euros, 40 euros, 21, 2,135, 59, 59.99. All right, this is our prices in euros. You guys can change this if you are in the US or whichever country you are. I am in the Netherlands. That's why my prices are in euros. And I just created, before I started filming, this property here, which is called price range. Basically, it is a multi-select property. So I have less than 50 euros, 50 euros to 100, 100 to 200, and then over 200 euros. Okay, so this is a view that I just created from my outfits database. Okay, my outfits database is another table, and this is just a copy of it. Right, so we can work on this however we want. So first of all, we want to tag all these clothings in the proper price range that we have. Reebok, I think it was around 49 euros or something like that. So I have this shoes, Reebok. It was the real price. And this one is Airism. I think it is, I don't know how much it cost. Airism Uniqlo long sleeve. It's 15 euros, so 14.90. So I'm going to add that here, 14.90. And then this example clothing, let's just price this, for example, as 120 euros. And these are trousers, so I will just say example prices, as I said, 65 euros, let's just say, and this one is 50 euros. Okay, we have the prices. So price range, this is below 50, this is below 50, this is between 50 to 100, this is over 100, this is between 50 to 100, this is 50 to 100, and this one is below 50. This is over 200 euros. It's a wish list of mine. Okay, 2,135 for a coat, a yellow coat. I want a yellow coat from Burberry. It's a wish list, you guys. I don't have that quote. Okay, so I have the price range now, and now we can filter it. Okay, we can now filter or group it, and I'm going to use it in price in euros, price range. Okay, so now we have all clothings in this view, right? We can make it smaller like this. All right, that we have that one view. In this view, I want to hide everything. I want to hide all, and maybe I just want to see the brand and like the price in euros. Yeah, so it's not too overwhelming. Group this way, so it is here. To organize how the order of the prices, you guys go to group, and it's group by price range, and here you can drag, which is below 50, 50 to 100, and then yeah, that's it. I like this view better. Right, and we're going to create another view. So layout, I'm just going to, sorry. You guys can hear my sister singing. All right, this is price range view. Meaning price range. Okay, and then here we're going to create another view, and this is going to be a gallery view. Okay, and we're going to filter this. This is going to be those items that are less than 50 euros. So we're going to use our price range that is below 50. Okay, and then here we're going to say that I want to see the items pictures. So we go to layout, card preview, and page cover, and here we say fit image. Right, these are, as I said, this is real items that I have, but this one is one of those images that I just added. But ideally you would want to get rid of the background. Okay, and I can do that for you guys. If you want to get rid of the backgrounds of each and every pictures of your clothing, I can do that for you. And all right, so this one we're going to rename it, and we are going to call it less than 50 euros. Okay, and do we have euro icon here? No. Money. All right, so currency, coin, card, cash register, cash machine. I'm gonna use this one. Okay, and then we're going to duplicate the same view. Okay, duplicate, and then for the next one we're going to go ahead and use 50 euros to 100 euros. There you go. And then filter, price range is 50 to 100. Okay, you guys see these pictures that I didn't even get rid of backgrounds. Yeah, I'm going to be working on that. As I said, these images, I don't really have them, and I will be deleting them. I just really want to see if this works. It works. We duplicate this again, and the only thing that we're going to change is the price range. Price range 100 to 200, and we're going to rename this, and this one is going to be 100 euros to 200 euros. Hello girl. All right, so this is everything below 200 euros, and then in this one, duplicate, we're going to use above 200 euros. Above, oops, what am I doing? And there you go. And the filter, of course, and we're gonna use this one. Ta-da! All right, this coat is something that I really love to have. Okay, for cold winters, right? Or I want to gift it to my sister. It's beautiful, right? So there we have our price range. Let's change the icon of this as well to just fit. All right, all together. All right, so you guys see I like black, but I can create like designs for you guys. If you want lighter aesthetic one, I can create that design for you, customized. All right, so here this filter show me what I haven't worn in more than 1 year, more than 6 months, more than 3 months, never worn. And this is just a copy of the stats. You guys can even have access to the URL of the things where you buy it, where you bought it. Right, and here I have this property that tells me worn within a year, yes, great, never worn. Right, so that I can see exactly what are the items that I haven't worn. So obviously I don't have this and I never worn it. So we're gonna name this Wardrobe Analytics. So cool. Amazing. And here I can log new outfits. Okay, and I don't even have to leave the page to log new outfits. Alright, that is for the video of today. Next video is going to be me putting all my real clothes into this system. So you guys see the process of everything. I would be using a program that deletes the background of each and every item that I have. And yeah, have a lot of patience to see each and every item that I have, and I will also use that opportunity to get rid of some clothings that I don't really need or don't really use to donate them. All right, this is all good. We're creating and at the same time we're cleaning up. Amazing. So see you in the next video.